We turn to an infectious disease expert today with some of our most burning questions about this pandemic. And what should you do? Is the run on toilet paper justified? How long will the virus last here in Kentucky? Here's LEX 18's Kristen Edwards with those answers as she continues our big story team coverage tonight.
So no stocking up yet. I mean, we're not at that point.
No.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Charles Kennedy says the run on toilet paper we've seen around the country is not warranted.
If patients, in fact, were experiencing significant diarrheal syndromes, then certainly one would understand the market pressure on the availability of toilet paper. At the present time, however, I find that totally unjustified.
Instead, he says people should focus on practicing social distancing and other CDC recommendations like washing your hands and avoiding large crowds.
I think there's certainly a moral imperative, basically, in an outbreak context like this, for every member of society to act as responsibly as possible.
He says with the exception of people over 60 and those with chronic illnesses, that Kentuckians are at low risk, and the number of cases in the Commonwealth are not growing at an alarming rate.
We haven't gone, from an index case to 100 in day 2 and 1,000 in day 3 and 10,000 basically at the end of the first week. I'm grateful for that.
He says it's hard to predict how long the virus will be in the bluegrass, but says it could take weeks, if not months, before we see a significant decrease in cases. In Lexington, Kristen Edwards, LEX 18 News.